Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asin. Viewers, today we are in the wholesale shoe market. I want to tell you that Chinese joggers are very famous in the world. Chinese have a lot of varieties of the joggers, especially dress shoes are also available, sandals are also available, but especially the Chinese wholesale market is famous for the jogger shoes, and many kinds of joggers are here. So today we will go to explore the shoe market. So let's explore. Viewers, we have arrived inside the shoe market, and around me this is, I think, the ladies section, and here around me everywhere are the ladies shoes, the ladies joggers, dress shoes, long shoes, sandals, many varieties are around me. So let's see what they have the price, and this is the wholesale market, and here price will always be the cheap. Outside they display with the reasonable price, but if you order more pieces then they can decrease the price according to the number of the pieces. Viewers, I am here, and here are very beautiful joggers. These are the female joggers, and you can see these are with, I think, 100 RMB and 50 RMB. Some pairs are with 50 RMB, very cheap price, and some are with 100 RMB. These are also the black and white joggers. These are the casual shoes, you can see, and some are here like the sandals. These are the dress shoes, and these all articles are with the 100 RMB and the 50 RMB. So let's go to another shop. Viewers, here are the sale pairs, and these I don't know they have the different sizes or not, but I think these are the sale pairs and have one size, many kind. That's why they are with the very reasonable price, about 30 RMB to the 50 RMB. Various designs of the female shoes, as well as I am looking, some are the female girls, kids shoes also, children girls also here. So these are about 30 to 50 RMB pairs. Viewers, this is the joggers shop, and here I can see many kinds of sneakers, and they place it very beautifully, so that's why I am not touching them. So here are also some sneakers. Here are even the summer shoes, many kinds of summer shoes, brown, black, white, blue, many beautiful shoes are here. So you can come to this market in the Hangzhou and can enjoy the many varieties of shoes here. Viewers, besides me you can see these are the wholesale packings, and these shopkeepers are packing the shoes who have ordered them, the 50 pieces, 100 pieces, 200 pieces, and they will deliver to their destination. As well as if you order online, they will give you the online delivery also. Even if you want to buy one pair of the shoes, they can deliver to your home within the China. Viewers, this is the second floor of this plaza, and this second floor is totally with the gents shoes, from the kids to the elders, and here we can see many kind of dress shoes, and I think this is the leather, yes, these are the leather shoes, and some are the normal Mokeshino style shoes. You can see this one is the Mokeshino style, the leather shoes. Similarly, this is also the gents shoes. If you like the laces shoes are also available. As well as I told you that China is famous for the production of the joggers. You can see various designs of the joggers and sneakers. These are the sneakers, you see the sneaker shoes, and you see this kind of jogger, very beautiful joggers, and many colors. This is the new in style, latest for the summer. So they have the very good fabric and a very soft sole. So these are this year this is the style in, and you can see in this various colors, and if you like the street style shoes, they are also available here, the green. So these all shoes are about 50 RMB to 150 RMB. It depends upon what kind of material you are buying, or what kind of style you are buying. You are taking the casual shoes or you are taking the dress shoes. Obviously the dress shoes price will be a little high than as compared to the normal casual shoes, but the joggers here are really very reasonable, and if you order them, you can see here they have packed the order of the people, and who have ordered the 10 pairs, 20 pairs, 50 pairs, they have already packed here. As you increase the quantity, the price will be decreased. Viewers, here you can see beside me are the kids shoes, and these shoes are 60 RMB as well as the 30 to 60 RMB per pair, and very beautiful, and these all are the joggers for the kids. and they are also with the same style as for the elder shoes, but with the micro edition with the various colors, various designs. Very beautiful shoes are here. Here viewers, you can see many kinds of leather shoes, as well as some are the casual shoes. These are the sneakers for the summer, very beautiful shoes. These are with the very silky fabric shoes, as well as these are the leather shoes. These are same, the joggers, the long joggers, very beautiful long joggers. And on the floor you can see many kinds of pairs are here, and this one is also very beautiful joggers. Here you can see this side is the female normal dress shoes, female joggers, and these are the party shoes of the female. And these all shoes, as I told you, this is the wholesale market, and as you increase the quantity, they will decrease the price for you. Viewers, today we have explored the shoe market, and we have seen many kinds of female shoes, children shoes, as well as the male shoes. And this market, this wholesale market is really very amazing market. As you come here, you can have the shoes of your own choice, and even if you want to do the international trade from this, you just give them the online orders, or you can come here and you can choose the pairs by yourself and then say them, they will pack for you and send to your destination. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, then subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.